I don't know if you can see this little guy up here or not, but there's a mad squirrel. And he's been yelling at us, but of course he's going to be quiet now. I think he's got a nest right there. And now I guess he's feeling pretty safe. I can't see anything that makes... There he is. Is he going to try and get down? Ruth scared him back up in the tree. Hey, Squirrely. That's what you get for stealing Daddy's pecans. Yeah, we know it's you. We know it's you. He wants down. There he goes. Ruth, get him, get him, get him, get him. He's got him up another tree. Oh, Ruthie. You getting that squirrel? Oh, I can hear him yelling. Where'd he go, Ruth? He's up the tree. Yeah, you got him. Get him, Ruth. Oh, he's getting down. There he goes, Ruth. Get him. Off up the telephone pole now. Ooh, that is one mad squirrel. Get him, Ruth. Get him, Ruth. Ruth, come here. Here he is, Ruth. He's gonna go now. You let him go, Ruth. Oh, I see him. He's up there on the other side underneath that gray thing. He is just yelling. Come back, Ruth.